Alright, so what's up guys, and today with me I have two cases from a company called TAC. I have reviewed TAC products in the past and I really am a fan of their cases. They have premium quality cases for iPhones and Pixels. So they did send me two cases, and in this video we'll be taking a look at both of them and see how it fits the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's begin with the one that we have here. Again, they have premium packaging. As you can see, the quality of the packaging is amazing. I love it. There you go. There is the case itself, and if I take it out, this is their Think Thin case. As you can see, it says right here Think Thin. So put it to the side, and this is the case itself. There is a plastic covering which I will take out real quick, and this is how it looks. Looks amazing, as you can see. Love it. It also has the MagSafe ring and the thing on the bottom. A lot of cases don't have this thing here, the bottom piece. It makes it difficult for all the official MagSafe accessories, like for example the wallet, to attach properly, because a lot of cases don't have this bottom part, but love seeing this. So let me quickly put the iPhone 16 in the case and see how it feels. There you go. This is how it looks. It looks good. This one is the darker one, but it's very thin, as you can see. So overall there is not a lot of lip, as you can see, because it's so thin. Alright, so let's begin with how it feels. In the hand, it feels amazing. It has a grippy material on the back, so when I'm holding it, it actually sticks to my fingers, so that's a good news. You will definitely see a lot of fingerprints building up on this specific model of the case, because it's a little dark in color. But okay, so the buttons here, as you can see, are exposed, so good cutouts for the buttons, even the power button as well. On the bottom, as you can see, you have plenty cutout for the USB-C port, the speaker and the microphone. Here you also have a cutout on the right for the camera control. That's nice as well, so easy access to the camera control as well. So overall, nice case. I really like it. The only thing is you have to have like a screen protector, just because there's not much of a lip that is protecting the front of the phone here, but you have enough protection for the camera, as you can see. So even if you put your phone on the back like this, it won't really damage the camera. So yeah, nice case, love it. It feels really good in the hand. So yeah, let's quickly move on to the next one. This I am assuming will be the lighter color of the case. So there it is. Yep, this is the white version. Again, the packaging was amazing, and you also have a protective layer on top. There we go. So let me take the phone out of this case and put it in the new one. Again, as you can see, easier to take the phone out of the case as well. So usually with a lot of cases you have to struggle to take your phone out, but with this one, not really. Alright, so this is how it looks from the front. Again, looks really good, and when I switch back, looks really nice. This actually gives the official Apple case vibes. The one thing I hate about the official Apple transparent case is that the bottom part is open. So I mean, I personally don't like the bottom to be open. It usually can damage the bottom part of the phone, but this looks really nice. This could be my the new case that I put on my phone. It looks really nice. Okay, so similar concept. You have the open layer cutouts for the buttons, for all the buttons here. Again, plenty cutout on the bottom for the type C port and the speakers and the microphone. The lip on the back for the camera is nice as well, as you can see. And yeah, overall, love it. As you can see, if you compare the two, this is how it looks really nice. So yeah, all the links to buy will be in the description box down below. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments section. I'll be happy to reply to any questions that you guys have. But yeah, thank you for watching. This was all about the cases itself. Again, as I said, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. But yeah, also like this video if you enjoyed the content, and more videos will be coming soon on the channel. And obviously once the iPhone 17 Pro is out, I'm gonna get it as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.